Basic home fire safety equipment published by UN. For many people, the question of whether to buy an emergency survival kit or emergency preparedness supplies can be a difficult one. They can help prevent fires from spreading in the first place. The most common type is the water fire extinguisher, which can be used on solid combustible materials. You can choose to purchase one that is prepared and packaged, or you can make your own from a kit that comes with basic items. In this video, we will give you basic home fire safety equipment that you should have in your home. Number 1. Smoke alarm. One of the most important items that you should have in your home is a smoke alarm. This is a device that will alert you to any type of fire, whether it is small or large. Number 2. Sprinkler alarm. A sprinkler system is also very important in your home. Sprinklers are designed to detect fires and then release water. Number 3. Fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is also an important part of your home safety kit. It is designed to put out fires quickly and safely. Number 4. First aid kit. First aid kits are also important for your home safety kit. You can choose to purchase one that is prepared and packaged, or you can make your own from a kit that comes with basic items. By having these items in place, you can prevent fires from breaking out. They will also make sure that the fires that do break out are dealt with quickly and safely. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.